Sampid ka lang dito. Hindi ka totoong anak ni Mommy at Daddy. You're only adopted. And I am deserving na mag-utos ako sa'yo. Kasi you're not belong here. You just, shall we say, sampid ka lang dito. Wala kang parte dito. Nakakahiya ka. Well, it really, really hurts the truth. But that's just a truth. If you're not accepted, well, I don't care. Nakakawa ka naman. Wala kang pera. Alam mo, nung humingi ako sa'yo, nung panahon walang-wala ako, nung panahon meron ka, nung humingi ako sa'yo, binigyan mo ba ako? Do you really help me? Kahit piso, hindi mo kayang ibinigay sa akin. Because you are so selfish. Ang damot mo. At ngayon, ikaw itong walang-wala. At ako na mayaman, balik ka na panahon. Ang hingi ka pa sa akin. Ang kapal na mukha mo. Hindi ka ba nahihiya sa sarili mo? My gosh. Your health. You belong to here, and you deserve to kill, and you deserve to die, and you deserve to vanish in this world. And you deserve to live in the hell, both of us. Well, I have no fault. It's not my fault. If God's love me, don't care. I'm not forcing him to love me. I'm not forcing him to not love you. It depends upon him. It's instinct. It's not his mind. Excuse me, but hindi ko inako si Alejandro. Mahal ako ni Alejandro. At hindi ka niya mahal. Ako pala mukha mo. Ako pala mukha mo. Kapal na kapal. Let's see. Excuse me. You're such a bitch. Sorry. That's the truth. Wala ka ng mana dito. Ang kapal din ng mukha mo. Wala ka ng mana dito. I'm sorry, but I need to go. Bye.